Today I'm going to show you how to make CPK's Ranchito Sauce. This recipe was found in the CPK Family Cookbook. It's super easy to put together and it tastes just like a spicy ranch. Okay, so first you want to grab your ranch dressing and put in a half cup of ranch dressing in a bowl. Okay, next you're gonna grab your mayonnaise. I'm using Best Foods here, and you want to pour 1/4 cup of mayonnaise in the bowl. Obviously I'm eyeballing the amount there, but that looks about right. Okay, next you want to grab your hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Frank's Red Hot Sauce. And to start off as a mild base, you can put 1.5 teaspoons of hot sauce. This will give the mildest spicy flavor, and then we can taste test and add more if needed. So that there was 1.5 teaspoons, and I'm gonna mix it now and then taste test. And you just want to mix until you no longer see the red sauce in there. Okay, and that looks about right. Looks just like ranch. And now would be the time you can taste test to see if it's at the spice of your liking. For me, I needed more spice flavor in there, so I'm gonna add another 1/2 teaspoon for more taste. And I'm gonna mix it well again. CPK usually serves this with their Avocado Club Egg Rolls, which I also have a video recipe for, which I'll link in the description box. And this here was the spice I liked. If you want it more spicy, just keep adding another 1/2 teaspoon and taste test it. There you go. So easy to make Ranchito sauce. Hope you enjoy.